Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Vanguard for asset allocation checklists, full guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Vanguard website. Locate the login button at the top right corner of the home page. Click on the login button to access the login page. Enter your user ID in the designated field. If you have forgotten your user ID, click on the Forgot Your User ID link for assistance. Next, enter your password in the password field. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Your Password link to reset it. Once both your user ID and password are entered, click the Login button. You may be prompted to complete a security check, such as entering a code sent to your email or phone. After successfully logging in, navigate to your account dashboard. Look for the Investment or Portfolio section in your dashboard. Click on Asset Allocation to view your current asset allocation. If you need to check your allocation against a checklist, you can download or view Vanguard's Asset Allocation Guidelines. Follow the provided recommendations for optimal asset allocation based on your investment goals. If you want to make adjustments, locate the Trade or Invest option to modify your portfolio. Review your changes before confirming them. Always ensure you log out of your Vanguard account when finished for security reasons. Close your web browser to finalize your session. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.